Empower everyone. A personal slideshow inspired by the great Muslim American road trip. Mariam Rasool took a huge risk. She had been helping a youth organization she deeply cared about, but now she was being asked to leave her corporate job, take a pay cut, and become its executive director. The Sylvester Broom Empowerment Village, the organization Mariam was helping, had fallen on hard times, not unlike the city of Flint, Michigan, where it was located. Its headquarters had been empty, serving only a handful of youth, and this was hurting the neighborhood. When Dr. Jawad Shah, a neurosurgeon and entrepreneur in the area, took it over to help out the city, Mariam's job was to help bring it back to life.
Yes, there are challenges in Flint. And yes, we are resilient, but there's more to us than just overcoming our challenges.
Now, after listening to the community, a lot of hard work, and even more prayer, SBEV lives and thrives. Over 2,000 families are enrolled each year in tutoring, arts, sports, and mentorship programs. They've been exposed to opportunities they didn't even think were previously available, attracting support from celebrities, corporations, and even the National Football League. With Mariam's leadership and dedicated staff, SBEV isn't just reviving a neglected neighborhood, it's building something. As Mariam says, I'm a big advocate of listening to youth. They know what they want. We are here to empower everyone. This short slideshow was inspired by the Great Muslim American Road Trip, a 3-hour series produced by Unity Productions Foundation. In this series, activist and artist Mona Hayder and her husband Sebastian Robbins travel historic Route 66, Chicago to LA, learning stories of American Muslim roots along the way. While the subject matter of this slideshow isn't included in the main road trip film, this is part of our educational outreach initiative, sharing amazing stories of Muslims enriching America. Your support makes this work possible.